A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I am Muhammad Mansha, your course teacher, and I'll teach you English alphabet. Yes, last time we have learned first 10 letters from English alphabet starting from A to J. Now we learn next letter, that is K, and it's 11th letter of English alphabet. Its sound is K. What? K. And examples of this letter, that is king, kangaroo, kite. Yes, any other name? Please, you can observe around at your home. Yes? Can you name? That is kitchen. Yes, it is also starting with K. And key. Next, the name of your friend or your name? Kamran. Well done. Now we'll learn how to write this letter K. We'll use dotted lines, dotted sheet to learn this letter of K. Now, open the page number 21 of your book. Yes. Now you can see the letter K. And K is 11th letter of English alphabet. Good. You can have writing practice. First of all, you can use your index finger to write the letter K 10 times. You can do this practice. Now you can see different things on this page. They are starting from K. Good. Like kite, kitten, key. Kite, kitten, key. Good. Now you can see two blocks on the same page. The first block is carrying different letters. Simply you can identify and name these letters one by one. Good. Starting from A to K. Good. Now move on to the next block. It is carrying different things with different letters. You can simply match the letters with their pictures, with their starting names. Yes.